When I make pasta like this, there is nothing left. In an oven-proof dish, add 3 cups of tomato sauce, 1½ cups of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 3/4 cups of oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to cook the pasta. In a pot, add water, a drizzle of oil, salt to taste, and wait for it to boil. As soon as it starts boiling, add 16 ounces of fettuccine, but it can be any type of pasta that you have at home. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Then remove it from the stove and drain it. Stir the ingredients that were inside the oven a little. And then add the pasta. Stir them to coat with the help of 2 forks. I would like to know where you are watching us from to thank you all for following our videos. I'm so happy to hear that you're loving the recipes. Finally, add fine herbs and mozzarella cheese to taste. Make this pasta recipe at home and then come back here to tell me how it was. I'm sure it will be delicious and everyone will love it. Put it to the oven to grate the cheese. And our special pasta recipe is ready. Look how delicious it is. Now you just have to cut a portion and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.